Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In the previous session we have seen the concept of the Git and how the Git actually works. In this particular session we are going to fire some of the Git commands in our Git bash terminal. This session is all about hands-on session in the Git. Okay, so first we are going to download the Git in our local machine, and then we are going to open the Git bash terminal, and after that we are going to fire some of the commands in the Git. Okay, so let's download the Git. For downloading the Git, just type the Git here. You click on the first link. Okay, here is this link that you find, that is downloads. Just click on it. Okay, you can see here three kind of OS, that is Mac OS, Windows and Linux. According to your system you have to download the Git from the respective OSs. Okay, so currently I am having the Windows, so I will click on Windows. Okay, here we can see the two options, that is 32-bit or 64-bit. First you have to see, stop it. Actually I have the Git in my local machine, so I don't need to download from it here. Okay, so first you have to see which kind of system you have. For seeing that, just right click on your computer and see. You will find here my system is 64-bit. Okay, so I'm going to just click on here. Okay, if you are 32-bit, just click here and your Git will be automatically started downloading. Okay, let's come back. If you are Linux system, just click here and you want to just select the command. If you have Debian or Ubuntu kind of OS, you have to just select this command, just copy it and just paste it in your terminal. Okay, this is a command for the Fedora. This command will also work in the CentOS or RHEL 6 or 7. Okay guys, so I'm not going to download the Git because I'm already downloaded the Git into my local machine. Okay, so after downloading the Git, if you do right click on your desktop, what you can see two options there for the Git, that is Git GUI here and Git bash here. Okay, let me open one to make some folder, lion. Okay, just go into it, just right click here and you will see the two options, that is Git GUI here and Git bash here. If you click on Git GUI here, then you will get the graphical mode of the Git. So let's open first Git GUI. See it. We can see the three options here: create new repository, clone existing repository, open existing repository. And clicking on create repository. Okay, let's browse. So then let's desktop, lion, here it is, select, create. Okay, I see I have created successfully one Git repository into my desktop folder like lion. Okay, so this is a method for creating one empty repository, Git repository, into your folder. So let's delete this. Now let's see how we can do with the terminal. Let's open the Git bash here. Okay, if we do ls, you will not find any kind of output. Okay, first let's see the Git status. The Git status will actually throw the error because we don't have any kind of Git repository into it. First you have to initialize the Git. Okay, so let's see what is the output. Git status, see, not a Git repository. This specific folder is missing from the folder, so we have to first initialize the Git. For that we have a command, that is git init. Firing this command, we will automatically get this Git repository. Initialize it, the Git will automatically initialize the repository into the folder. So you have to fire this command, git init. See guys, we have, let's do ls, nothing is there. Let's touch some file, touch RAM. See guys, the RAM file is been created here. If we'll do now Git status, what is the status? Let's see. RAM, The RAM is basically, the font of the RAM is the red. Okay. What does this indicates? Let me open the Git workflow for you guys. Okay, see guys, this is our working directory. Which is our working directory? This is our working directory /c users manoj desktop line. This is our working directory. Okay, I have just touched one file into my git bash, and I have just fired this command git status. So it is saying that no committed done yet, untracked files you have to git add. Okay, you have to git add to include into the to be committed. Okay, if you do git add into the bash, what will the git do is it will add to the staging area. From the working directory, it will add to the staging area. Let's do git add RAM. So the RAM file is now in the staging area. Now how to verify that? Let's do git status. See guys, the RAM, now the message has been changed. First the message was untracked files and now the message is no committed done yet. Okay, so now our file is presently here, that is in the staging area. So we have to do the git commit to save our record, to save our file into our local machine. We have to fire this command git commit, give a flag that is -m. M is for message, and give a meaningful message to it. The RAM file was added successfully. Okay guys, let's just close and just enter. See guys, if you find this kind of messages into your bash, then you can ensure that your file is being added to your local repository. Okay, now if we do git status, let's see what is the output. See, nothing to commit, working pretty clean. So our RAM file is been added to our local repository. Okay guys, let's touch some more files. Touch Raju, touch John, touch Sham. So if we do git status, then these three files will be untracked because we are not added into the staging area. Let's see what is the output. See, John, Raju and Sham are still untracked. So to add into the staging area, we have to add it git add dot. What is the meaning of the dot? If we do dot, then all three files will be added to the staging area. Instead of doing this, git add John, git add Raju, git add Sham, you can directly hit dot. So three files will be added to the staging area. Let's do it. Git add dot. What's the git status? See guys, these three files were added to the staging area. Now git add that file into our local repository. Git commit -m, three files were added. Okay, and see, all three files are added into your local machine. So these are some of the basic commands in the Git. Okay guys, so now let's see. So from here we have started our project, that is we have to first we made the file called RAM. Okay, the RAM was added to the staging area. After staging area, we committed it by giving us -m flag into our local repository, and these files were added into our local repository. Okay, so if you have to push these codes to our global repository, that is central repository, that is our GitHub, so there is a command for that, that is git push. And you have to, if you have to pull those some of the commands that are present in the GitHub repository, so there are commands for that also, that is git pull. Okay, git pull is a command for that. But before doing that, we have to add the remote repository into your local repository. Okay guys, so in the next further session we are going to see how to git pull and git push from our local repository to a central repository. Okay guys, so stay tuned. Thank you.